Hi everyone, namaste, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to do an unboxing video for March blush box. So here I have the blush box, and let's just open and see what I got this time inside the box. Okay, so this is the box. Now let's just open and see what I got this time. Okay, so the very first thing I can see are info cards, and this month's theme is Women's Day, and I have a few discount coupons as well here, and it says irresistible me, congratulations, you are a woman, happy Women's Day. And this box retails for 399 Indian rupees, and you're getting the products worth rupees 1720 plus, so that's amazing. And all the information about the products is written here, like in detail. So let's just check out the products. All right, so the very first thing I see is a sheet mask, and this is by Mon Sub sheet mask. This is 3-in-1 mask. This is a silk protein 3D hanging ears, face and neck mask, and it comes also with an EGF essence, which is amazing. So yeah, I love using sheet mask and definitely be using this. And this Mon Sub 3D hanging ear, face and neck mask retails for 250 Indian rupees. Okay, that's that. Then I see, all right, it's a toner. Okay, it's a Olivia skin clarifying toner with fruit enzyme, and it's alcohol free, and this is pore minimizing, which is good. And yeah, definitely be trying this out. And this one retails for 425 Indian rupees. And how much product I'm getting here? Okay, I'm getting 100 ml of product in here. That's really amazing. Normally you should use toner on daily to daily basis, but I'm a little guilty about it. I don't use toner regularly, but in summers I use toner regularly. In winters I kind of skip toner. I know that's bad, but I kind of do. That's how I am. Anyways, summers are approaching, so I'm definitely going to be using this, and I love this, and I'm so excited to try this. So that was the toner. Now I see it's a silver caffeine glow with aloe vera. It's a gel basically. I already have one in a bigger size, I think. I haven't used it yet, but definitely as the summers are approaching, I'm gonna change my skincare a little bit, so definitely be trying more things, and definitely be trying this one as well. And this the amount of product I'm getting here is 25 ml, and this retails for 329 Indian rupees. All right, so the next thing I see, it's a hair nourishing cream from Nature's Co Tea Tree, and it's for all hair types, and it's made in India. Okay, so this is like a leave-on cream, and I don't know whether I'll be using this or not, because my hair are already, my scalp especially, my scalp is like already very greasy, and in summers it get greasy a lot, so I don't think so I will be using a leave-on cream on my hair. Definitely I should have used it in winters, but I'm a little doubtful in summers. Anyways, the amount of product I'm getting here is 125 ml, that is 4.22 fluid ounce, and this retails for 525 Indian rupees. And yeah, this is specially curated for the blush box. All right, so I am left with just one product, and this is by Matra Skin Gourmet, and this is Lip Care Revolution Vanilla Ice Holistic Lip Care SPF Infused Lip Balm. All right, so this is a lip balm. I am a sucker for lip balms. I use a lot of lip balms because my lips are normally dry, be it winters, be it summers, they are dry always. So I love using lip balms. I apply lip balm almost every hour or almost every 30-40 minutes. So yeah, I use lip balm a lot. Okay, so the flavor I got is vanilla ice. They also have kiwi flavor and the strawberry one. The amount of product I'm getting here is 4.5 grams, and this retails for 199 Indian rupees. Oh my god, it smells so yum. I feel like eating it. It smells delicious. In 399 rupees, I got products worth rupees 720 plus, which is amazing. And I most of the products I am looking forward to, except that hair cream, because I don't think so I'll be using that in summers. Apart from that, I loved all the products, and yeah, I will be linking all the details for this box in the description box. And if you're interested, go subscribe for yourself. And if you're watching me for the first time, then please subscribe, help me grow, and I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, stay beautiful and stay healthy.